What we're doing right now is I have to make a dustpan because the other dustpan I used, I had to clean up some dog poop off the linoleum floor, and that was the only thing available. So as you can see here, what I'm doing is I'm laying the tape across the edge of the cardboard. See that? Across the edge of the cardboard. And what that does, what it'll do, and when I fold it over, it'll give me a nice flat edge, I'm hoping. As you can see here, I'm just going to fold it over. See that? Just fold it over and then squeeze it at this end. Read as tight as I can. Squeeze! Squeeze! So squeeze it, and what that'll do is give me a little hard edge. So when I'm down on the floor and I'm sweeping up stuff, it goes in. Now what I also do too, for dustpan material, is to bend the sides over so that it doesn't actually fall off. That's always helpful. Get the sides bent. It doesn't have to be fussy, you know. There we go. There we go. Look at that. That is the dustpan.